Give me a good swish around. You can spit it right back in the cup then. Now, do you smoke? No? Good girl. I got you covered.
You spit that in so weird.
I spit weird.
You're really holding it like you're doing it to like the side of the cup.
Alright, stick your tongue out for me. Sit back. Bring that down. Okay, we're gonna be going about in that area. Want to check it out?
That's good.
Like I would do it at a little bit of an angle. Yeah, when it's straight up, it's just constant pressure there.
Let me see.
As much angle as possible is good. Because the other shop I went to and asked, they said that he only does them straight up and down.
Yeah, you gotta think, with straight up and down, like, you're always gonna have that little bit of pressure, like, back there on your, the flat there. Yeah. You don't want
Let me see it again. Looks so front. It looks so far front.
It looks far front?
I think so. I mean, I don't know. I don't do my tongue. I don't know how tongue should look.
Well,
Now you look like a retard making tongue faces at yourself.
I have no choice.
Let's say, just think, you're next.
Yeah.
All the shit talking you're doing. Right back at you.
But I'm not doing my tongue. So it's a little... it's gonna be a little easier to
Whatever.
take.
I heard that, like, certain ear piercings hurt more than...
It's supposed to fuzz
stuff.
randomly.
Yeah, you gotta think. The tongue's two muscles, it's just connected there in the middle. So when you bite your tongue, you're biting all the meat, the nerves, all the fun shit in the side. Where we're going, it's right in that connective tissue in the middle there. So I mean, the worst part about this is me clamping and holding your tongue out. Piercing, you're gonna feel it, but it's not like, it's nothing like, oh shit, ugh, nothing like that. It's a quick in, out, done.
I wish I could get my tongue done though. It'd be pretty cool.
You ready? You got this. Alright, face is gonna go on. I'm gonna clamp you, make sure we're lined up good. That middle part there. Let's say, go ahead, take a look in the mirror. Stick your tongue up. See that nice little line in the middle? That's where we're going for.
Okay.
You ready?
You ready? Got this. It's nothing. You're fine. Like I said, this is the worst part. You fucking clamping your tongue down.
I'm drooling over
And
myself.
rolling over. That's why I got the bib on you. Yeah,
it's
beautiful.
beautiful. Covered.
Yeah, watch out.
It's on dentist status.
Be legit.
Alright, once I get you clamped and we're in a good spot, we'll do a practice breath first. We'll talk you through it. Breathing in, blowing out. Second round on the exhale. We're going to go for it.
Okay.
Like you saw the tapers on the jewelry, needles hollow, so I'm just going to follow it right up behind. Quick in, that done.
Okay.
You got this. Alright, go ahead. Stick your tongue out for me. Relax. There you go. Probably go back just a little bit more with it. You ready? You got this. Go ahead. Deep breath in. Blow it all out. Good. Stick your tongue straight out for me. Go ahead. Deep breath in again. And push. You did awesome. Wasn't bad, right? Yeah. Alright, this is going to feel a little weird here. Like I said, just follow me right up at the jewelry. So that looks fucking crazy, right? Just make sure this guy's been tight on here. Is that better for you? Back a little bit farther. Stick your tongue in your mouth. Feels weird. Definitely takes a little bit getting used to.
Awesome.
Go take a peek.
Cool.
Like I said, 2 to 3 weeks. Honestly, if you don't swell up that much, in like a week from now, you know, if you didn't swell up at all, you know, it's crazy long, fucking annoying the shit out of you, stop it and we'll shorten it down.
Okay,
It's all
cool.
good.